Well, Johnny Manziel might not be the Heisman winner Baker Mayfield should be trying to emulate, but on Saturday, the Oklahoma QB found himself apologizing to fans once again. Mayfield won't start on Senior Day because of an obscene gesture he made at Kansas in the Sooners' 41-3 win. Head coach Lincoln Riley got emotional describing what Mayfield has meant to him.
I don't know that I'll ever have a player that's as special to me as he is. And we've been through a lot together, and he's a tremendous teammate. He's the best football player in America. He's got a great heart that a lot of people don't get the chance to see like I do, and I'm proud as hell to be his coach.